Guys, welcome back to the show. In case you're seeing me for the first time, remain the Magalicious baby, and I still do until the year with my.
What are my people? In case you're meeting me for the first time, I go by the name of Mr. so the comedy son of comedy, Israel talkative, online, Zadi.
We still come back again with election. You know, na election, na in the trend now, na in the import now, na in the matter where we need to the chook mouth inside. The only they tell Banana about Toyin Abraham, where born Peter Obi, that is the obedient over Tinubu. We react where people they tell us say, if say don't they carry this matter personal. Election not be waiting and they carry personal. Election is something will be say contribute to your own. Do your own and do it right. Do it wise. Not be say youths don't know what they do, people don't know what they do now. Everybody is doing wisely. Please, if you're voting, vote it wise. If you're campaigning, campaign wise. Toyin Abraham still shared the video of at least the video don't train all social media now where people don't they say our baba where they try campaign for APC presidency candidate say don't die. Some say he go London or the UK for medical checkup and treatment. And that's last week. I think it was on Sunday. I'll be on Monday. Last week, when you come post video where they write basically saying just the on your own fitness, say it's okay and it's healthy, and that there's nothing wrong with his health, so he can run for the race of presidency. I beg. We know this election to talk about. You know, say once election don't come like this, everybody won't bring it on. Everybody won't talk it on.
Now that's how you go not see there no one candidate secret. If you say the secret, they deep.
People want deep inside. They won't know. They won't even know your health status. This one are even small. They won't even know which challenge you don't they face from small. Where you dey small.
They will bring them out.
Now that one they won't carry come aside. How big? People not frustrate these people. They are humans like us, and they are going there for what you fit go there tomorrow for this race. So why be say we just want to sit on the judge who they held or who not they held?
This election is free and fair election. We are in democracy. We are not in the military. You know, where we say you know if you talk, you know if you support who you support. This is we have freedom of speech. We have freedom of everything. So nobody you go come outside. They tell me if I dey post Tinubu, it's none of your business. You know you know who to post. You know who's your choice. If Tinubu is my choice, is my choice. If Atiku is my choice, is my choice. You can't force me. You can't tell me all this thing that this party has been doing for us for the past 8 years, and now why is it true? Like just leave me. We don't know the right person. The right person don't know himself.
Only God. Only
God knows. So you don't have the right to come in my DM. If you come in my DM on Instagram, I'm blocking. I will report you to IG.
I trust you. I know what you do.
So you can't just come into my DM and tell me you have to vote for Peter Obi. Like last October 1st, they were doing rally for obedience in Lagos. It was massive. That was good. Yes, if Tinubu say he won't do, people go see plenty. We go still go if we want. If na my candidate if I like her, I go. If Atiku self won't come, if they give me money, I go collect.
2023 now you tell who be the president.
Na 2023 go tell who will be the president.
Until when we don't cast
until you vote.
Until when we don't hear say na this one win. And that time we go know who win. But as it stand now, everybody they run for your own race.
Race, sure.
Who know they around now to run a race? Leave am, you go still come back and run.
After this election, we dey come. The next 4 years, have you say okay, I want to be the next president. If you don't want to vote for me, don't vote for me.
Don't worry, I go vote for you.
Only your vote will carry me. No, that's that.
Why are they talking about this?
But don't worry, but ladies and gentlemen, this is democracy. Support anybody you want to support. Democracy, support any party, support any candidate. It's your choice. If other parties, when we say you don't like them, if they carry money come, you feel collector. Then on the day of election, go and vote for your own candidate. But vote wisely. That's it. Just get your voters card. Some of these people when they talk online, say this, that, blah, 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 blah. They don't get voters card.
When they don't get voters card.
They don't get voters. Most of them don't get voters card.
Say when it come election next year, many of them will be saying they hear then they talk side talk. that this one na him dey fit to go there, na Atiku na him me want, na Tinubu me want. This one go say me na obedient. They no get car, they no go come outside to come go vote. We dey beg una say make that day go vote for anybody wey you wan vote.
It's a free and fair election.
Toyin Abraham, either you wan campaign for Tinubu,
you are free to campaign.
No be your business. Allow her, let her campaign for who she want to campaign. You go campaign for who you want campaign. You get right to campaign for anybody. You get right to say, this person I want, this person I want support.
You get left self.
Everything wey takes me to support that person, go and support the person.
Seriously.
Let's leave talk about how this one they carry the campaign, how this one they carry. Your own na matter. Do your own. Leave others to do their own. Like me now, I don't talk and say they wait till when Bamiso go campaign for